Hi, I'm Jawad. I'm a PhD student in bioinformatics at Monash University and also part of the NumBat team working on statistical graphics and data analysis in R. I completed my master's in mathematical statistics, and since then I've worked diverse data science projects across field. For the Google Summer of Code project, I'm developing a new R package called Ecotourism, mentored by Professors Lyn Cook and Lyn Cook. The main goal of the Ecotourism R package is to bring together multiple Australian data sources into a single, tidy, and accessible format so that users can explore, model, and visualize ecotourism related questions. Much like how packages such as NYC Flight 13 have made an interesting multi-table dataset to use for teaching and practicing tidyverse style analysis. By bringing these datasets together in one package, we want to make a simpler example for teaching. For example, you could look at how bird sightings are related with tourist numbers. More broadly, our goal is to promote reproducible ecological, data science, and statistics education to support teaching and encourage students to think critically about how tourism interacts with natural ecosystems. The ecotourism package will combine data from three sources, with keys to link the different data. The first is wildlife occurrence data across Australia, with record, observation time of different species and spatial location of the sighting. The second is tourism statistics by region, detailing how many people visit various parts of Australia to a view of tourism pressure or interest for different organisms. The third is weather data matched to those same regions, so we can explore how climate conditions might relate to both wildlife and tourism activity. Let's go with the first one. First, we have the wildlife occurrence data. After exploring a wide range of organisms and their pattern, and with guidance from Professor Lyn Cook, an expert on Australian wildlife, we decided to focus on four taxa that offer interesting ecological and possibly tourism stories: glowworms, Gouldian finches, manta ray, and orchids. We downloaded 10 years of occurrence record from 2014 to 2024 using the Gala R package, which interfaces with the Atlas of Living Australia, a fantastic resource for accessing biodiversity data. Next, we will add weather data to help study how climate patterns might influence both species distributions and tourism. We started by identifying the nearest weather stations to each occurrence record using the Geosphere package, which calculates distance based on latitude and longitude. For each organism, we found the top 3 most frequently recorded weather stations and then retrieved 10 years of daily weather data for those stations using the GSOD-R package, which provides access to the global surface summary of the day database. Finally, we included a tourism dataset. We are using data from Tourism Research Australia, specifically an online resource available to students through the Monash University Library. These datasets provide quarterly tourism counts by region, which lets us look at where visitors are concentrated and how that might overlap with sensitive wildlife areas or climate factors. This package is designed to be flexible, so it can serve many different purposes. Because it includes time series data, you can use it for temporal analysis, for example, studying trends in wildlife sighting. It also includes spatial data, because we have the latitude and longitude for each of the records. With the weather dataset, you can explore climate impacts, and of course, the tourism data opens up opportunity to study visitors' pattern, regional economic impacts, or even conservation pressure. Once it's ready, the package will be available on CRAN, so you will be able to install it directly in R. For those who want early access, or to contribute, the developer version is already on GitHub at this address. Thanks for watching.